Chuck Wall.
Yeah.
Let's go. This one right here.
Alright.
It's for all the ladies.
Alright.
Ladies, you wanna take it back?
Oh no.
Dirty, yeah.